Yo, what's up everybody? Chad Bennett here at Nonstop Money TV. Welcome back to another online money making video. And right here in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can get started purchasing Bitcoin and Ethereum and other different types of cryptocurrency, you guys. Very simply, fast and legit, secure, you guys. I want you to understand one thing here real quickly. It was not that long ago I was sitting in the exact same position that you were, learning and hearing about Bitcoin and Ethereum and how it was set to go to the moon, and I wanted to get in on that wave. I wanted to educate myself, and I needed to know where to purchase it. So what I'm going to share with you right here in this video is exactly what I've done and what works and what is legit and secure, you guys. And I'm also going to show you how you can actually earn passive income off the holdings of your Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. Because if it's just sitting on an exchange, it's not earning any interest, right? It's rising with the price of Bitcoin. It's rising with the price of Ethereum. But you have all that money out there. What if you could actually earn passive income and never have to sell your Bitcoin and Ethereum? Because understand, this is a long, term game. You don't want to ever have to sell your Bitcoin and your Ethereum. You want to have a long-term plan, especially when you're brand new and you don't know how to do day trading, and you don't want to have to worry about all of that. You want to just purchase Bitcoin and Ethereum, but you want to earn passive income and never have to sell. That's exactly what happened with me, you guys. I was laying in bed one night and I was like, man, I don't ever want to sell my Bitcoin and my Ethereum. How can I earn money off of that? And I remembered some of the videos that I was watching that somebody was talking about this, and I figured it out. It's very simple, very easy, you guys. All of this can be done right from your smart device. You don't have to have a PC. It works on Android and iOS. It's all legit, you guys. Very well-known, reputable brands. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. So step number one is you want to come over here to Coinbase.com. By the way, I've left links down in the description of this video that will very simply bring you right to the web pages that we're looking at right now. Now, when I was first getting started, you guys, I came over to Google, and what I typed in was, what's the best cryptocurrency exchange, you guys? If you're not familiar with what an exchange is, it's literally just a place where you buy, sell, trade, and hold all of your different types of cryptocurrency, right? So when we type that in and we press enter, Google spits out Coinbase and Coinbase Pro are the best overall. That's their rating, you guys. Best overall. Coinbase has been around for quite some time, you guys. They're not new to the game at all. They actually have an IPO right now that's going to go public on the stock exchange here real soon. And it has some really cool benefits to coming to Coinbase. And if you're a beginner, that's what I like about it the most. They just make it so very simple, legit, fast, secure, you guys. You're gonna get $5 in free Bitcoin when you actually create an account right here on Coinbase. If you want to create an account, by the way, you just come up over here to where it says get started. Click that. It's going to ask for your name, your email address, some very simple information just to identify who you are. Make sure you're putting in legitimate information right there. If it's not legitimate information, you're not going to receive the email that they're going to send to you, and you're going to have some difficulties, right? So just be cautious, or I just want to point that out, you guys. Put in legitimate information. You can also earn $40 worth of free cryptocurrency just for watching some very simple videos where they're teaching you about crypto. You take some very simple quizzes that you cannot fail, by the way. So an extra $40. Sometimes this number is higher, you guys. Sometimes it's like $120. I think I've even seen $160. But just some great bonuses, you guys, to earn some free crypto just for signing up for an account and learning about crypto. I wanted to throw that in there as well. Now, some of the things I want to focus on is why I like this so much, you guys, is because you can set up recurring buys. So if you're trying to dollar cost average into Bitcoin, you're trying to buy a little bit every single week, you can set that up where every single Monday or Tuesday, or whatever you set it for, you're buying $5, $10 worth of crypto. That's a great way to get some exposure and to actually start to grow your account so that you have, the long-term benefits of, investing in cryptocurrency, you guys. So I love that. You can set up the recurring buys. They have vault protection as well, so they make it very secure and hard for anybody to ever try to steal your Bitcoin. That's really cool. They have time delayed withdrawals. You can read about that. Really cool. And again, you guys, mobile apps, the apps that they have are absolutely awesome. I sit on my couch and I buy and sell my cryptocurrency. I don't ever really have to actually come and get on my computer to do anything at all. I can do it all from my mobile device. I love that. And then they also are protected by insurance. You can read about the policy right here. I'm not going to talk too much about that, but they do have insurance. They have industry best practices, you guys. And this is what's really cool as well. It's supported in 100+ different countries, 35 million verified users, $320 billion worth of total volume traded, you guys. So how do you get started? How easy is it to do this? You're simply going to create your own account. You're going to link your bank account to this, and you're simply going to start buying and selling cryptocurrency. So real quickly here, I wanted to run you through this step by step and show you exactly how this works once you're logged into Coinbase.com. So as you can see right now, we're logged into my account. Once you're logged into your account, it's going to look similar to this. You can see your total portfolio balance right up here at the top. I have $2,300 worth of Uniswap sitting here right now. My Bitcoin and Ethereum, I've actually moved over to my BlockFi account. We'll talk about that in just a moment. That's how I actually earn passive income up to 6% interest on my Bitcoin and my Ethereum right now. Just for letting it sit there as I normally would anyways, but we'll talk about that in just a moment. So how do we purchase Bitcoin on Coinbase, you guys? Well, we're simply going to move down the page here, and as you can see right here on this watch list, it shows you all the different types of cryptocurrency that you can actually buy and trade, or buy and sell or trade, you guys, right here on Coinbase. All these ones that have these blue boxes that say trade right over here on the side, you can actually buy and sell these right here on Coinbase. They're listed on Coinbase to buy and sell. So for the sake of this video, we're going to click on Bitcoin. And as you can see, you'll see the current price that Bitcoin is trading at right now, $33,613. They got a lot of other great information as well that you can take a look at, what it's been trading at for the past hour, 24 hours, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and all time right there. So if you want to go through there and look at that, you can also see the trading activity. 75% of people are buying right now, 25% of people are selling right now, and they have some great news as well. But again, for the sake of this video, we want to know, how do we buy and sell our Bitcoin right here on Coinbase? So what you want to do is you want to navigate up to the top right hand corner right here where it says buy and sell. I'm going to click buy. And then something else that's really, really important once this box is prompted and pulls up here is you want to make sure that you have your financial institution linked to your account. So you can come down here, you'll click pay with, link your bank or whatever it is that you're using to actually fund the purchase of your Bitcoin. And once you've done that and you select that down here, you'll focus right here where they have this 0, and you can put how much Bitcoin you want to purchase, right? So we can put $5 worth, we can put $10 worth, it doesn't matter, whatever you want to spend, right? So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to put $10 right here, and then we're going to click on preview buy. And then you can see right here, this is the amount of total Bitcoin that I'll actually be purchasing. This is actually 26,730 Satoshi. Anything right of the decimal right here is Satoshis. Those are fractions of Bitcoin. And anything to the left, obviously right here, would be the amount of total Bitcoin that I have. So if it had a 1 right there, we'd have 1 Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin. I hope that makes sense. I try to make that very easy and easy to understand, right? Just think of a dollar, right? If you had a dollar, you'd have a 1 right here, and anything to the right of this would be 99 cents, 76 cents. It's similar, but Bitcoin actually goes out, they have 9 zeros right here, so it can be chopped up many different ways. But you'll see here, the price right now, the price that you're actually purchasing it for, the purchase amount, there's a little fee for actually making your purchase. And then you're simply just going to come down here to where it says buy now. You'll click buy now, and then it's going to do this. And it will actually make your purchase. And so your order was submitted. We will send you an email when your order status is done. So I'm going to click on done. And now you can see if you come over to your portfolio by simply clicking on this little icon right here, the little pie-shaped icon with the circle, you come over to your portfolio. We can look at Bitcoin right now. You can see I have $8.97 worth of Bitcoin sitting here, which is 2,673 Satoshis, you guys. That's what the equivalent of US dollars versus Bitcoin. And it's really that simple. It's really that easy. You can set up reoccurring purchases as well. If you come over here to buy and sell, you can set up different types of reoccurring purchases where it's every day, every week, every 1st and 15th, or every month if you want to set it up at like that to start dollar cost averaging in. Now, I told you just a moment ago how you could start earning actual passive income interest on your actual Bitcoin and Ethereum holdings. And that's why I want to bring you over here to BlockFi. I was laying in bed one night and I was wondering, you know, I don't ever want to sell my Bitcoin. I don't ever want to sell my Ethereum because I know it's going to be worth a lot of money one day. So how can I actually earn interest on my money that's sitting there? While it's sitting over here in Coinbase, it's not actually earning any type of interest just sitting in this account, right? It rises with the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it doesn't actually earn any interest. So I wanted to come up with a solution where I could actually earn passive income, you guys. And I was thinking about this, and I remembered, you know, some of the videos that I was watching that there was some folks that were actually talking about this. So I went out and researched it, and I found BlockFi, you guys. And BlockFi has been absolutely phenomenal. Think of it kind of like a high yield savings account. If you went and deposited $100 or $1,000 into a bank account, banks used to pay you an actual decent amount of interest for holding your money in a bank. Not so much nowadays, but that's kind of what's happening here in BlockFi. BlockFi, you deposit your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, and they're actually going to pay you out interest every single month. By the way, you guys, this has been talked about on Forbes, Bloomberg, CNBC, you guys. It's very, very reputable. Come check out this website right here. Again, link down in the description. Right now, they're going to pay you 6% APY on your Bitcoin, 5.25% on your Ethereum holdings. And then if you have United States dollar coin, they'll pay you up to 8.6% on that as well. So really, really simple. Really, it looks and feels a lot like Coinbase, you guys. They have an application. It can be done on all of your smart devices, whether it's Google, whether it's Android. Again, I do all this from my phone sitting on my couch. You can watch your account balance grow, watch the interest start to roll in every single month. Actually, it updates every single day with the amount of interest that you've earned. So I don't want to ramble on about this too much, you guys, but I highly, highly recommend that you check out BlockFi. This has been my strategy to actually grow my financial future, earn passive income for doing absolutely nothing at all. Bitcoin and Ethereum, you guys, I believe personally that they're absolutely going to be worth a lot of money. Transfer it over to your BlockFi account, start earning interest on this. Let it sit there, you guys, and it's a great way to start earning passive income. Check this out. Again, you guys, if you found any valuable interest or valuable information in this video, make sure that you crush that thumbs up for me. Show me some love. Make sure that you drop me a comment. And share this video with your friends, your family, and obviously make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that bell notification, you guys, and join the strongest family on YouTube to start growing your financial future and make money online. And one other thing I want to throw in there is if you want to earn real passive income where you never have to work again, if you want to work from home anywhere with an internet connection and you want to do what I'm doing to earn a significant amount of income working from home, check out the first link in the top of the description, you guys. It's exactly what I do. I have a whole team of folks that are very reputable, legit, honest people that want to reach out to you and help you start building your very own online business. This is exactly what I do. I only talk to you about things on this channel that I personally do myself. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope all of you are doing well. I will see you on the next video. Peace.